Welcome back again, guys. This is the Mendozas. Today another Beyblade content. So let's try open it this package from China. So this is, I ordered Bigbang Pegasus from, this is the Midfake, guys. It's not expensive anymore. It's just $10, 500 pesos. Alright. This is the Midfake. Oh, Midfake. Midfake. Good quality fake, guys. Alright. Final drive. Okay. So, let's unbox this. Charan! So, sorry for the background. It's a bit messy. So, as you can see, the print of the box. Check it. It's a bit pixelated. No, not pixelated. It's a bit blurry. Yep. The code underneath is GO912, just like on my Phantom Orion. So this is the box. I have this before, but I don't have any idea Midfake Beyblades before. So let's open it, this box. So by the way, guys, I'm a Filipino content creator. For your information, I'm not Indonesian, I'm not Thailander, I'm not Cambodian. Okay, I have this before, but I already sold my first one. Okay, this is the final drive. As you can see, I already see the problem. So let's open it, the drive. The plastic, I mean. So this is the final drive. Alright, imperfections. This one, the knob marks. Let's see if this working properly. Oh, okay, this is working properly, but another sign that this is the Midfake. As you can see, this screw is not is supposed to be tri-wing, the triangle one, I think. This is Phillips screw. Yep, Phillips screw. Next is the stickers. Okay, let's see the stickers. So it's pretty not low res. Yep. Next is winder cord. Again, the seal is a bit messy. It's a little bit messy. And then let's go to the Beyblade itself. The seal is not aligned. It's going upwards, you know. Let's open it again. The Midfake Bigbang Pegasus. Alright, let's see the parts. First, the metal frame. Alright. Midfake Beyblade doesn't have LED. Okay. Next is the clear wheel. The detail so far is good. It has a glitter effect, and I saw imperfections here. Knob marks. Alright. The face bolt, let's see. Okay, it's pretty good as of now. Another knob mark. So let's put it together. Let's put it together. Alright. I'm gonna put it in this way. This way. Okay. Alright. By the way, the price of this Beyblade is around $10 or 500 pesos in Philippine peso. Okay. Not bad. Alright, this is the Bigbang Pegasus. Let's get the, what do you call this? The launcher. Yeah, launcher. In plastic gen, we call this spinner. Way back 90s or 2000s. I'm a 90s kid. Alright, this is the launcher. As you can see, it has also the Takara branding. But as you can see, the plastic quality is not good. Cut that. Okay, but you know. Okay, let's get this. I don't know what you call this. Comment down below. Help me, guys. Help me. I forgot already. Okay, this is the lock for this face bolt, I think. Yep. Alright, it's already locked. Okay, this is the Bigbang Pegasus. But the final drive is working. Yep. Let's see when we test this. Yes. Where's the ripcord? Okay. The ripcord. Soon I will buy El Drago Destroy. The ripcords. Yeah, it's pretty good. In good condition. Let's try again. Let's try it. Just like in the on my Phantom Orion. So let's see the stickers. Alright, it's not low res, guys. It's not blurred. You can see the details. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. The sticker is good, pretty good. Let's put in here. Alright. Oh, Bigbang Pegasus. So far so good. Midfake. Good quality fake. Okay. Bootleg. Just like the Gundams. So there you have it, guys. My unboxing on Midfake Bigbang Pegasus. So see you on my next content. We will test this Beyblades. Let's test my Phantom Orion and this one. Okay, and I will buy more soon. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This is the Mendozas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.